How to use TurboTax for capital gain. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you sold stocks, crypto, real estate, or other investments, you must report capital gains on your tax return. The first thing you want to do is log into your TurboTax account and open your tax return. Now click on the option of income and expenses. Here you will find different categories. Go ahead and select the one that says investments and savings and click on the add/edit option. Now you get to choose how to enter your capital gains. You can select import from a brokerage or manually enter your capital gains. If you want to manually enter that, you will have to enter details such as name of asset, date purchased, date sold, sale price, cost basis, capital gain or loss. Or you can also upload a CSV file. Once that is done, you want to review your capital gains summary. After that is completed, you can review all the details you've entered, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.